This is Project Oliver Plaid, an E.C.D custom Range Rover Classic finished to our client's exact specification. Oliver Plaid is painted in full gloss Bentley Alpine green with black and silver accents. Oliver Plaid sits on 16-inch Wolf steel wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Range Rover features a Voyager roof rack, vintage front bumper, an E.C.D custom steering guard. Inside, Oliver Plaid features an OEM Land Rover steering wheel, two standard Range Rover Captain front row seats and a 60/40 split mid-row. Each seat is finished in a Hyde's Bentley Napa saddle leather stitched together in sumac. The most striking feature of the interior is the plaid twinned with the olive green carpet, a very nice touch from our client. Oliver Plaid is powered by our GM LS3 6.2 litre engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This Range Rover Classic also features an array of modern elements such as infinity Kappa sound and access to USB ports throughout.